This is the second of two videos giving you an introduction into Mahara ePortfolio. This video is going to show you how to create pages and then submit them to your groups or tutors. So to create a page, you need to click Portfolio, then on the right hand side click Create Page. This is what will become your page. At the moment, the white block at the bottom is your page, but obviously it's got nothing on it, hence why it's so small and empty. So the first thing to do is change the title, and to do that we need to click Edit Title and Description. Where it says Untitled, I'm going to delete that and call that Reflection Week 1. And on the bottom click Save. You can also edit the layout depending on how you want your page to display. So you may want it just in 2 columns. It's preset to 3 columns across, so it's up to you how you want that to display. So I've selected 2 columns of equal widths and I'm going to click Save. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a general text box. So to do that I'm going to click in General, and it's the same with any of these modules in Mahara. All you need to do is click what you want and drag it to the bottom, and when the little dotted line appears, that's when it's ready to drop. So I'm going to let it go. That automatically loads up. So for the title I'm going to call it Week 1 Topic 1. Then in the actual content I'm going to write what I actually did in topic 1, or what I learned, for example. So in topic 1 I learned all about, and so on and so forth. So just, as a student you will then enter all your enter the content within there and click Save. Once you've saved it, you'll notice that at the bottom it will be there visually. Across this tab there is many different things that you can add. For example, you can add your CV. So in the previous video we looked at your own profile, where you could create a CV and create plans. Those CV and plans that you created there can then be pulled directly onto a page simply by dragging it on. There's a number of different things, such as external content, so you can embed videos from YouTube, you could embed RSS feeds or Twitter timelines, or if you have video or images saved on your P drive or your desktop, you can add those here. As I mentioned with the plans, you'll be able to pull those directly on. There's also a journal section, so if you're being asked to write a blog or a weekly journal, then you can pull those onto these pages as well. And finally, profile. If you've filled out your profile information and your contact information, then these can be pulled straight on there as well to create an identity to your page. Once you've finished your page, you can click Done at the bottom. And you'll see that your page now displays under the profile page within this display. If you're wanting then to submit that page to your tutor, you can click on the reflection, Week 1, and at the bottom you will see where it says Submit this page to, and for this example I'm a member of Mahara Test, so I'm going to click Submit. When you click Submit, it will warn you that once you've submitted your work, you will not be able to actually edit it until your tutor has marked it and then released it back to you. If you click Yes, that will be submitted to your tutor, and if you click No, it means that won't be submitted and you will be able to edit it. So I'm going to click Yes. So now on my page you'll notice that I don't have any editing options, and that's because I've submitted that page. You'll then need to talk to your tutor and ask him or her when they'll be marking it and when they'll be giving it back to you. Once they've released it, you will then see feedback in the feedback box here, and you'll be able to add to that page and maybe create more resources on it and submit it again. And that is how to add a page in Mahara.